Ryan Reyes pushing it up for the white shirts of PNC Catropa. Inside the paint. Mo Tautu, a power move. Ginaliwa, pasok. Billy Mama, siya naman ang tumira mula sa labas. Kicks it out to Pogoy. This time he drives in. Finger roll. Lakwad. And here's Ryan Reyes once again. Goes under, leaves it for Troy. At inilabag na lang niya. Back to Mo. Mo, uy, ganda ng hesitation move. Was able to take that first step. Reyes cross court to Larry. Pumake, dinapit. Pasok! Stand the man. Uy, look at the change of direction. He looked like Jason Castro on that play. Nakaagaw na, pagkakataon makatabla. Terrence Romeo ahead of the pack. Finishing against Jason Castro. Into Fonacier to RDO. Unang tira pa lang niya, nakapasok na. So Fonacier with a quick basket and now. Kung ano na yung nagagawa niya sa kanyang katawan. As Kelly Williams, another guy who likes to bump iron. Fading away mula sa kanan. Terrence Romeo. Kelly, confidence. Jumper, that's 2 hoops in a row. Or machine gun. Castro to RDO. Across the court to Rosales. 3-point shot and he makes that one. Okay, Cortez, now it's with him. 6 to shoot. Cortez, elbow jumper.
He's really good. Found a new home.
RDO. Bagsak si Meyer Hoffer, and when you flop that way, yan ang pwede mag-resulta. Kicks to the corner. Chris Rosales has a 1-3 in this game. Make that through! 2 guards there against Mike Cortez, and there you go. Castro finishing on the right feed mula kay Chris Rosales. Subukan ng debenta ni Rosales. That's good! Jason decides to take a jumper. He gets one mula sa kaliwa. Kay Larry naman binigay. Ilapit na naman. Runner in the lane. Larry gets another hook. Inside to Mo. What a pass! And he completes the play. A chance for a 3-point play. Castro dinala sa gitna. Bounce kay Mo. Easy 2 na naman!
Look at the white shirts. Dami nila.
Ganuelas Rocker hanging in the air, getting it off the glass. Kelly Williams, jumper. Can't get it to go, pero ito naman si Troy Rosario. Walang box out. There's Ryan going the other way to Ganuelas. Picks up the dribble to the cutting, running there. What a break! Rewarding the big man for running down the floor. There's an outside shot to that Semera. That's a long 2. Tipped away by Canaleta. This could jumpstart something. And Pringle tries to finish, and he does.
He sets up Romeo. That's
it. Down to 10 at namang ng Global. The lob to Papot Paredes. Completed. Ito si Kinyahan, trying to partner back for his team. Nice pass. Semeran. Special team naman niya yung outside shot. Johnny Semeran. Apat ang hinahabol ng Global 4. They go to Pringle on the left. Drives the lane. Left the layup. Pasok yan. Para kay Stand Man. We are in the lane. You go up for the J. Can't get it to go. Troy Rosario ito naman. Perfect timing para sa team win. Stanley! That was too strongly back in this part.
Look at Castro go.
Slowed it down, gave it to the trailing Ranidel. May contact na, may basket pa! Pringle now with the ball. Leading down up to 7. Now down to 4. J.S. Kenyan, nakapukot ng 3. 3 points right back. Kelly!
What a pass by Jason Castro.
Romeo. Now in the lane. Nice for Kenyan. There's the shot, mid chance for a 3-point play. Castro goes around the screen. Fonacier, top of the key 3. He knocks that one down.
3-point play. And he comes back with a 3-point shot.
Kinyahan, atake naman. Oh, follow-up jam mula kay Nino Canaleta. Jason in the lane. Pinaliwa, easy layup. Naiwan ng defender. Papon Paredes. Step too slow. Leaves it to the cutting. Ranidel, the finish! At meron pang foul. Balik kay RDO. Open from 3. And he knocks that down. RDO. Tuloy-tuloy. Reyes drops it to Troy Rosario. And there's a foul from Don Pesumal. Kalahati na namin sitira. Pringle the contact. Ito naman ang may pagkakataon. Chance to cut it to 10, maybe 9. If Mike can hit this one. And he does! Threats from the cool cat. Pringle on the drive. Oh! Iniwasan ng defense. What a move mula kay Stan the Man. Chris Rosales nag-arap ng papataas. Lumamper na lang. Magiging na mabigay kay Rose. Manuelas Rosario, kapitan ni Cool Cat. The 3 guards are running. Mike pulls up from 3. Oh! He's trying to go around Ranidel. Oh, he takes it from 3. Ties it up. We're all tied up. Pringle now will give it to Canaleta and the jumper just inside the 3-point line and look, ayan na, nangyari na. For the share to Troy. Lead back to TNT. They go to Cortez to Pinyan. He'll attack. Get the basket. And that was the kind of patient play. Mogoy. Too strong. Kelly Williams. He gets that follow-up.